It's Friday, so let's fry some fish. Fish Sando. Well, by the time you see this, it'll probably be Saturday or Sunday, but on Fridays where I'm from, we fry fish. My grandmother fried fish every Friday. She fried fish so much, she started selling plates. Fish. O'Brien, is it O'Brien or Orion? I think it's Orion potatoes. Those frozen potatoes come already diced with bell peppers and onions. My grandmother used to make those. You'll get some fish, Orion potatoes, a soda, and a piece of lemon cake. Or the strawberry shortcake. You'll get a piece of that too. Honestly, when I started selling food out the house, I took her whole blueprint. But today I'm making a fish sandwich. Now this fish sandwich we sell at Bluebird LA. It's called the DJ Head. Fried catfish, cheese, lettuce, pickles, and our truffle tartar aioli, which I'll show you how to make in this video as well. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, hype me up, and y'all already know, Blue Magic all-purpose fry batter. Now, a lot of people like cornmeal batter when it comes to fish. We can do that too. Just mix some cornmeal in the batter, and I'll show you how to do that now. Now, Blue Magic all-purpose fry batter is good for anything, fish, chicken, vegetables, doesn't matter. But when it comes to seafood, a lot of people like to use a cornmeal batter. If you have 2 cups of your batter, just add 2 cups of cornmeal. Just work it in there. It's that simple. And now you have a seafood batter. Now, you can use any kind of fish you like. I mean, everybody likes different types of fish. Nobody likes fish that's super fishy. What's most commonly used is cod, but I love catfish. Catfish, use whatever you want to. I'm using catfish. Wet batter, it's not a lot. I did a 1/2 cup of flour, 1.5 cup of water. That's it. Into the wet. Get that nice and coated into the dry. Press. Press. Ready for the fryer. In the fryer we go. This shit about to be fire, watch. While the fish is frying, let's make the tartar sauce. Now, usually when I make this tartar sauce, I make a truffle tartar aioli. I don't have any truffle oil, so I'm just gonna make some tartar sauce. First, we have a whole shallot. Just throw it in there. A little jalapeno for some heat. Garlic. About 3 dill pickles. Just throw the shit in there. Just throw all that shit in there. Of course, fresh dill would be better, but unfortunately I don't have any, so a couple tablespoons would be okay. Some dried chives, kind of like making ranch. Immersion blender. Fire. I'm telling y'all, man, get y'all some Blue Magic. Tap the link right now. You look good.
Thank you.
Fish Sando. This is the same fish sandwich that we sell at Bluebird LA. It's called the DJ Head.
Why you look at me? You forgot.
I forgot. This used to be our favorite sandwich.
It still
is.
Yeah. Oh, what you do different?
Oh, yeah. So, like I said, some people like cornmeal batter. All you have to do is add the same amount of cornmeal to your Blue Magic, and you have a cornmeal batter.
Y'all see, I'm his #1 fan because I noticed that. Like, oh, what you do different? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I pays attention.
Come on.
That's still my favorite.
This shit fire.
Truffle tartar aioli.
No truffle this time.
You didn't have to say that. I don't know that.
I already told him.
Oh. Well, Bluebird and truffle aioli. What's our address?
2100 West Florence. I need one more bite because I don't want to spoil my appetite. I'm going with love always.
I was about to say, where are we going? This is fish, so it's better, but it's fried, so it's like, you know, I don't want to overdo it. One more bite?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm feeling.
I gotta pray for us. Y'all know we on a diet, right? But we still sacrificing shoot contents and y'all recipes and stuff. That's why I watch every episode is gonna be like one more bite. Shout out to
y'all show. One more bite.
Right? No, for real. Shout out to DJ Head. I think I like pickles now. I think I like pickles. I mean, I like pickles, but I don't really like it on my sandwiches. I don't look at the mess.
If you want to try this sandwich, 2100 West Florence Avenue, Bluebird, LA. Closed on Monday.
And on Saturday, Sando's is 20% off.
20% off. And you can try the real version with the truffle tartar aioli.
And it's 2 pieces of catfish.
Yeah, it's 2 pieces of catfish.
Yeah.
It's crazy. It's crazy. You have to try it. But if you want the recipe to the tartar aioli, down in the description. And remember, if you like seafood batter with cornmeal, go ahead and add a cup or 2 of cornmeal to your Blue Magic. Easy. Tap the link in the bio and get yours before it sell out. My nigga, enjoy.